A is for apple, red and sweet, a yummy fruit we love to eat. B is for ball, round and bright, we can roll it left and right. C is for cat, soft and small, it likes to chase and play with a ball. D is for dog, friendly and fast, it wags its tail as we walk past. E is for egg, oval and white, we eat it for breakfast, what a delight. F is for fish, swimming in the sea, splashing around so happily. G is for goat, climbing high, up the hills beneath the sky. H is for hat, on my head, keeps me warm when I go to bed. I is for igloo made of snow, a little house where cold winds blow. J is for jam, sticky and sweet, spread on bread, a tasty treat. K is for kite, flying high, dancing brightly in the sky. L is for lion, big and strong, with a loud roar all day long. M is for moon, shining bright, glowing softly in the night. N is for nest, in the tree, home for the birds and family. O is for orange, juicy and round, full of flavor that can be found. P is for pen we use to write, drawing letters big and bright. Q is for queen, wearing a crown, she rules the kingdom in a gown. R is for rabbit, hopping away, it loves to jump and run to play. S is for sun, shining above, giving us warmth and light we love. T is for tree, tall and green, with leaves and branches to be seen. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry when raindrops fall from the sky. V is for van, driving fast, taking us places first to last. W is for watch, telling the time, tick-tock sounds in a steady rhyme. X is for box, holding toys, filled with fun for girls and boys. Y is for yellow, bright and sunny, like sweet bees making honey. Z is for zebra, black and white, stripes that shine in the morning light. Now we know our ABC, sing again with you and me.